This is a quick overview of how to do things on the home page of the CMO dashboard. So first thing you'll see on the CMO dashboard is anytime you see these little carrots, there's something in there. So just click on them to toggle it open and close. To the left is how you navigate every major thing on the entire dashboard. Here, navigating the dashboard, this is how to do different things, and it walks you through the high level and also gives you access to, if you've never used Notion, like a Notion tutorial. To go back, you can go here where it says go back, or you can click on your dashboard. So go back to where you just came from. This Pomodoro, mine looks black. I can see that this one looks purple and it's annoying me. So you can click here and you can change different things about it. Right now, it looks like a soul sunrise. I wanted mine to be black. And so now I'm gonna click on this little X and now it's black. That's how I wanted mine to look. So, but you can change it. You can take a short break. You can take a long break. Start your timer. It really does work in here. So that's the Pomodoro timer. If you've never done the Pomodoro method, the focus. So we do this every single week in the Revolutionary Society membership. And essentially what we're doing is making sure that we have focus time and we take very, very strategic breaks for our brain. And it's just a method that has been around for a long time to help people to be better at productivity. It's really hard for our brains to just keep working and never taking breaks. So this kind of forces you to start to learn to take very consistent, regular breaks in your workday. It gives you a refresh of your brain every single time. It's like rebooting your computer every time. So that's what this is for. Quick adds. You can quickly add tasks to the task list. You go to open and now you can add a task. New task, test, campaign objective. If it's related to a campaign, when is this task due? How much energy is it low energy? Is it creative energy? Is it analytical energy? Is it strategic energy? If it's related to a marketing campaign, who's doing it? Me. Is it related? What kind of project area is it related to? Is it admin? Is it personal? Is it service 1? Is it service 2? Is it your family? Is it for your shop? Whatever you have. Is it for your house? Is it research? Is it personal development? And then is it a priority or not? And then once you're done, mark it as captured. When you do that, it will now be on your weekly tasks. But this is the brain dump, so sorry. Weekly task. I don't want it to be captured as, okay, good, yeah. So I go back to my dashboard and I go to this weekly task. New task is now here in my weekly task. But that was just from this quick add. Cool, right? Same thing with new post idea. You click on that. It pops up here for a second. Click on open. Then you can put the new content idea. You can mark it as just an idea. So you put all that stuff, it makes it on that page, and then it'll end up being in your posts, which is pretty cool. Same thing for goal. When you click on this, you can add a new goal. So I click a new goal, click open. What marketing channel is it? Marketing channel category. What's the milestones that you want to hit? And then it'll be on your goals. Pretty damn dope, right? And then, there's nothing else that you need to worry about. That's it for this page. This is just how you navigate this little home page. Everything over here is the same as what's in here. I'm just making sure that you can easily get to stuff. So that's how you get to mostly every single thing that you need to. That's also within here so that when you're on other pages, you can still get back to the home page easily.